Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Postman Pat's bin. My new broadband kit has arrived. And on top of that, my new phone has arrived. It'll probably take me a week to set it all up. And it works. Had to charge the battery up, but yeah, so all good stuff. And the other item of mail was not so nice. I got a speeding fine. Oh, wonderful. I had a feeling I'd been caught. That was on the way to the show on the Saturday. Little van halfway in the ditch on the near side of the road, and I was in the outside lane on a piece of road that used to be 60 and is now 50. And well, I didn't take any notice of it basically, so it's my own fault. With any luck, I'll be allowed to go to the Naughty Drivers Club, where I have to sit and watch some videos and listen to some waffle and how dangerous speeding is and this, that and the other. It's not the speed that's dangerous, it's the dodgy drivers really. But nonetheless, I was going along with all the other traffic. This is why I didn't notice. You know, under normal circumstances, if it's a 50 limit, then everybody's doing around 50 and you plod along with them. Emphasis on the plod along. Flipping great dual carriageway. Anyway, so I will have to deal with that. That'll cost me some money, and I'll get this lot set up, and I might not do too much on the phone, basically because I don't know what I'm doing. But first thing I want to try out on the phone is the camera, obviously. I get the broadband set up, make sure that's all working, and then the old one can go, and we'll go from there. So two nice Postman Pat deliveries and one not so pleasant, but yeah, rules are rules, break them at your peril and all that. But as I said, it'll be quite fun to go on the Naughty Drivers Club. I haven't been for about 15 years, so it'll be interesting to see how much it's changed. Yeah, well, I could do without knowing really, but so be it, as they say. And yeah, I'll see how I go. I'll probably post this on my current internet, otherwise if I lose access to YouTube I won't be able to post anything, will I? So I'll get this one up. That was only a quickie anyway, and then set it all up and everything, and we'll go from there. But hopefully that's going to save me an awful amount of time, and that's the idea. And we'll go from there. And if this phone can actually live stream using this Wi-Fi direct to YouTube without any wires and faff, I'm going to be over the moon. Now, I don't know that it can, but it's got to be worth a try, hasn't it? See you next time.